Big back, we're back with another video. This time it's Lotus's Seafood in Texas. Enjoy. So we're gonna try Lotus Seafood. So this is the inside of the restaurant. Very clean, very nice. Now this is the chicken fried rice. Delicious. I would compare this better to Benihana's, but this is a chicken fried rice. This is the inside of the restaurant, very clean. So this is a 2-piece catfish and fries, very delicious. You can see how next time I'm going to tell them to fry it softer. You see it's a little hard, but it overall has a great flavor. Comes with, this is the sauce. I'm going to tell you about that. Again, this is Lotus's Seafood here in Houston. I like to try different places' egg rolls. Again, I would highly recommend the egg rolls. You can see here, delicious, crispy, very good. You see, I'm going to do probably a little shake in the video. Again, highly recommend it. Delicious, delicious. This is Lotus's Seafood here in Houston, Texas. Now I'm trying my fish. Again, next time I tell them to try it, I'm going to tell them to fry my fish softer, not too hard. This is the sauce. Now that sauce is like, I think it's called the crack sauce. Whatever it is, it's good. It's very good. Highly recommend. Next time I'll probably get 3 of them. Again, this is Lotus's Seafood.
How's the tea?
Again, this is Lotus's Seafood in Houston, Texas. I would definitely give a 10 out of 10. A 10 out of 10. This is a crack sauce. It's very good. Very clean. It wasn't too busy. Now, this is one of the restaurants in Houston that gets busy at times, especially around crawfish season. This one was on the southwest side. Again, this was the catfish. Again, don't forget to like, share, comment. This is the chicken fried rice. Until the next video, give us a thumbs up. Thank you so much for subscribing and liking Eats and Travels. Again, this is Lotus Seafood. Definitely a 10 out of 10. Until the next video.